How to make the tech house bass of John Summit in Chicago. First, let's lower down the sub 2 octaves. Pick the sub you saw. Pick this wavetable for oscillator A, -1 octave. And shape oscillator B like this. Then bring down the sustain a little bit and bump up the release. Make it mono. And select the filter. We'll be using a low 24 at around 150 Hz and 36% drive. Now we're going to dive in effects. First some distortion with a post filter around 300 with a lot of drive. And mix around here. Then we're going to compress it. Just like this. So in the track it sounds like this.